Google, let's touch on the entrepreneurial process. Same day, same time, same hour, same place, same sign, same person, different minutes. Oh, I am let's be serious. The entrepreneurial process. So before by entrepreneurship, call on the process. Call a decision to become an entrepreneur. You ask yourself a question about, do I enter, do not enter the business? Well, you sit at a room, sit kokwenu. Man phazanyisa ukhona ngibona ngathi uzaba kum. We do a business. Okanye ndingayenzi business. You sit erumini ucinga uba, do I enter or do I not enter the business? Well, that's your decision. The first process. Entrepreneurial abilities and skills. Then usibuza uba, do I have the necessary entrepreneurial abilities and skills? Now apha ke ngoku kwabanye ngaba discouraging ngathi no, but kulo no wakho you can learn. If you want to be an entrepreneur but you don't have the skills, you can just search. YouTube is very informational these days. Search that skill you want to do and continue. The third one, resources. Do I have the required resources, or can I get access to resources? You must ask that, do you have the resources that are required to start this business of yours, or still gonna need to hustle for resources? Now, those resources comes to the business, yeah, fast. The business and owner. Business and mhlawumbe ngomzekelo business agriculture yabo ubonile okay now Bill Gates is South Africa from a process accepted the GMO food, so iqhuma I want to plant non-GMO seeds yabo. Then ke ngokuthatha okay nenza kanje, do I have the money to buy those non-GMO seeds yabo? Then do I have the money to buy fertilizers? But fertilizers you don't need imali, you can umgquba yabo, wenenkomo kakazi thatha umgquba wenza. So i-resources yasibuza uba resources efana nemali okanye umhlaba, especially ku-agriculture, nawo umhlaba na kwanawo umhlaba, but nayo imali yothenga umhlaba yabo, things like that. I-resources unazo na. Then enye ke ngoku as4 opportunities and ideas. Do I have an above average chance that the idea will work? It may be no, maybe yes, but you don't know. Take a risk. Take a risk, man. No, in life, don't play it safe, because if you don't make it, you died trying to make it. So you died. I will feel it's not like these are good. Come on. Let's be risky, guys. Feasibility. That's the feasibility analysis shows that the opportunity is feasible. Uchomba yakeka nale opportunity yam. Kule township yam, njengoba ngiqala ibhizinesi ye-chips kodwa zikhona i-double chips eziyi-5, njengiqala ibhizinesi yamagwinya kodwa khona abantu aba-5 abathengisa amagwinya ngoyi-6, zaba-different kanjani? How will I manage differently from those people? You can start a business that is already existing in your township, but you have to come with a different strategy, different plan, different innovation, different assets, different man. You must be different, unique, so that your business could make the amount of profit that you want it to make. Business plan. The business plan convince the investors, the bank, suppliers. Yeah, boy. So business your business plan you must draw in such a way that even the investors will be impressed. Even the investors, it. I love this. I'm taking a risk now. Akhupha umuntu 50 million inamba start kambe uthenga umhlaba, uwenze yonke le mthenga umtshini, uthenga fertilizer, uthenga imbewu. Then ke uthengise lapha your local Spar, your local Boxer, your local shop, your local Usave, your local Shoprite, your local your local things. Your local things. Maybe I should save money and buy land. I think I love the idea of agriculture. Abilities and skills can also abilities and skills, the personal characteristics, abilities and skills of a new owner of a business have a profound influence on the success or failure of the new venture. Before entering the business world, any potential entrepreneur should first clarify whether he or she has what it takes to do. You must clarify uba le nto ndizayenza ndidinga imali, ndingenamali, ndingazazi ezi skills, ndizazi nakanjani ndiyaqhubeka. Uba ndizazi ezi skills ndizazifunda ezi skills. Uba ndinamali ndizawuzama uba ndithi rhulukrhulu ndijonge ii-investors. Uba ndina-investors I will try my best best tell 370 kaRamaphosa 370 kaRamaphosa ucele i-1000 kwi-old people eGokwini yabo ask them since so ne-1370 then ufake yonke kwi-business things like that. Take risks man yabo maybe the risk ingafeyila but at least they tried. Access to resources esibini ke leyo. Another key factor in a new venture creation is the question of resources, or rather access to indonesian resources. Without capital or the other resources necessary for establishment of a business, the new venture is doomed. Without capital or other resources necessary for the establishment of a new business, the new venture is doomed. Xa kungekho capital okanye resources ezinyanzelekileyo ngiyakwazi xa business ungenamali yabo. I know that imali is hard but man maybe 370 ifumanayo save it 370 times 6 months ngubani ana-calculate but I'm sure that is a lot of money. 370 times 6 months yabo 6 months ungayithatha 370 nje uba okanye for those 6 months uthathe 100 rand shake 270 yabo save because currently that's the only option there is for people as unemployed people is to use the 370. I know it's small but let's try our best. Now maybe when I get it next month I will come with it up. This is what I'm going to do to create this. So let's work. Opportunity. A further important aspect of the entrepreneur process is the assessment of the opportunity that the entrepreneur is pursuing. So opportunity khona na opportunity lento ndifuna ikhona na ungathengisa efundini into ekhoyo ithengiswa abantu abayi-10 ube ngo-11 i-profit abancinci. That's why I say travel. You must go to the city, see what is in the city, then come and bring it back to your township or village where ingekho apha i-township but ikhona ku-city yabo. Traveling I think it grows the mind. Now when I have money I must travel yabo. I just get a horse and travel. No. The another one, feasibility. Once the opportunity has been identified and defined, the entrepreneur needs to find out if it can be turned into a successful venture. This calls for feasibility study. Yahlala ndizifundile ezi skills, ndinayo le capital, ndinayo ezi resources, izawukwazi uyenza le wina. Analyze ngoku ucima ifowuni mamela umculo ucinga nabantu uhlala alone in a room, key room ujonge nantsi imali yami engaka nazi resources nanko umhlaba endizawusebenzisa ndizawusebenzisa njani. Feasible le izawukwazi ukwenzeka na. Feasibility. Enye ke ngoku business plan. Once the entrepreneur has some certainty about the feasibility of the venture, he or she needs to compile a business plan. We must compile a business plan, my beautiful Africans. Let's compile man a business plan. Because fanele uqale iplan le nto okay, this business of mine izawuba kanje. Ndiyakwazi ukwenza ipizza. Akho mntu awazenza ipizza apha kule ndawo yam. Then ke ngoku uyenze le pizza, uyenze. Resources zepizza ndinazo ndazidinga ndafuna le investor. Le investor fanele ibonise uba ndizawudinga ii-resources zokwenza ipizza. Kanye uqale wenze nge-survey. I believe in survey. Uthumele abantu babuze uba bangayivuyela ipizza na. Then uyenze ibonise ii-investors uba isurvey ithi abantu abafuna ipizza bangaka yabo. Ndenza le pizza ndiyithini then ndithini. After le pizza ndithini ndiyothengiswa phi mhlawumbi ikhonteyina. Okay andina-container ndizayithini mhlawumbi ndizawuhamba nabantu ndicele umntu yabo sihambe andikhaphe simazithengisa sayibamba sayifaka eplastikini ezinjalo zethu. Manage the business but i-business plan fanele uyenze in such a way that iconvince nee-investors uba this man is determined, this man knows what he's doing. Unfortunately ngoku ananto business examples. The last one is manage the business. Once the feasibility has been established and resources have been acquired, the entrepreneur launches and manages the new business. So xa seyenzile eli shishini lakho fanele umaneyije ngoku. Lenzile eli shishini ndalimaneja eli shishini ndalimaneja. Bendisetshe kula video yam yokuqala uba managing uba ke ngoku ngabi i-loss, there must not be too much loss and little profit yabo. just manage. Be a little loss and much profit. That's management. No loss, much profit, extra management. So I manage the business. This money could be for money business. I'm gonna buy this for the new business. Yeah, but gonna install things for the new business. I'm gonna close myself in a room and think maybe I'll come to the business idea and we'll share with you through the process. But the entrepreneurship world is a risky one. Yeah, but if we don't take risk, guess out you know what? Let's take risk. Let's take fucking risk. We must take this risk, man. Yabona kheke mandini mafethu mandini cinga uhamba konke cinga uhamba ngizophinda ndibuye fika mandifune ndijonge